Vikings. They were known as great sailors, amazing battle tactics, and not forgetting their glorious beards, just like mine.
We can't see your beard.
Yeah, you can, it's under here.
You need to take the helmet off so we can see your beard.
No, because how are they going to know I'm a Viking?
It's a beard review video, not a Viking video.
I'm not taking the helmet off.
Take the helmet off.
Fine.
How are you going to put the products on your beard otherwise?
So, Vikings.
Put the axe down.
What?
Put the axe down.
The Vikings had axes.
We don't need the axe, we get it. It's a beard review video, not a Viking video.
Alright, I'll put this axe down. Happy? Well, I'm here to talk about beards.
Obviously, you have not picked up a second axe.
I haven't. I'm here to talk about...
You've got an axe in your hand.
What?
Yeah. Oh, the other hand, obviously.
What other hand?
You've got two hands.
So yeah, Vikings. Oh, this axe.
That axe. Put them down and talk about the products.
It's even called a bearded axe.
Put the axes down and talk about the products, please.
Okay, fine. Shkal, or hello, it's me, Lamer Gamer, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm bringing you a review of a beard care product. Now there are many out there on the market at the moment, including Bulldog and various other brands, but today I'm going to bring you one from the Viking inspired The Beard Struggle. As you can tell, I may or may not have a little bit of a love for the Viking brand, hence the helmet, hence the axe, and hence the blonde hair, which I have no choice about. I also have a history in reenactment and medieval fighting, so this brand really appealed to me. They also have various ranges and packages available from people with very short facial hair to people with very long beards and different styles of facial hair. Now I've signed on as a brand ambassador for this, which means that I'm able to give you a discount. And that discount code is going to be put here in the corner of the video. And I'll also put it in the bottom in the link below. Now, without further ado, let's open the box and see what we get in the starter kit. Thank you. The first thing you'll see when you receive this package is that it comes with the lovely Beard Struggle branding all over it. Viking front, it tells you a little bit more about it, and it even says Shkal, which I believe is hello or welcome to you. It also has a little bit of information on the website on the bottom there. On the back is just my postcode, and I'm not going to show you that just because I don't want loads of love letters sent to me. My wife, Killer Queen, will get very jealous. Let's see what's inside. Wow, I didn't even know they did these for men. Beard curlers. Look.
That's not a beard curler.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's packaging.
But there's loads of them. Look.
Yeah, it's part of the protective packaging though.
We can cut that. The first thing you'll notice when you open the box is that it's nice and securely packaged with foam widgets and bubble wrap. Inside here is our products for the starter kit, so I'm going to just open them up. So the first thing we come across at this starter kit is the Viking
Savage brush.
As you can see, once again, it's got the lovely Beard Struggle branding across the front, got a nice wooden handle on it, and underneath it's very soft bristles for brushing your beard. Do you have a touch of that, love?
It is soft.
The wife approves, I'm happy. Let's have a little go. Oh yes, I can feel my beard getting longer as we speak. Probably combed it right out now. But anyway, moving on to the next item on the list. Next along this list is
The night elixir.
we've gone for the Asgardian Secret scent. I don't know what Asgardian Secret smells like, but I'm about to have a sniff. Oh, it smells really vanilla-y. Do you want to have a smell of that?
Apologies, I was not expecting to be on camera. Oh yeah. It's like wood and vanilla. Yes, it's lovely, it's really subtle.
So the wife approves. I think it's a really subtle smell, and it's one that I could wear pretty much all day or have around me all day near my face without me going, oh, that's just so overpowering and smelly in a good way. But this definitely is a winner with me and the wife. Moving on, we have the
Beard wash.
Just to be clear, we did pick this smell. We had a choice of multiple smells, as it says here in the book.
We picked the Asgardian Secret, which is described as a woody, intricate blend of sandalwood, vanilla and bergamot to give a sensual, soft, harmonious and exotically rich scent that promotes a vivid and euphoric sensation. Hey.
A very vivid and euphoric sensation, if I do say so myself. So now we've taken the top off, let's have a smell. Oh yeah, that is exactly the same smell as what was in the night balm. Moving on to the fourth and final product that came in the box. This one in the bubble wrap. I have noticed that we have been given a wristband. It appears as though the Beard Struggle supports the fight against cancer. Very nicely designed wristband. And on the front, if you can't see it, says FU cancer. Let's face it, that's what we all want to say to cancer. Any charity that supports the fight against cancer is good in my book. Moving on to the fourth product. And so our fourth and final product that came out of the new starter kit is the Asgardian Secret.
Gentleman's Scruff Balm.
Comes in a sort of buttery formula, so if I was to take the lid off here, as you can see on the top, it's got the lovely Beard Struggle branding again. Once again on the front, you've got the description and what it is. Take the lid off. It's got a nice little cover to keep the smell in. Whoa. Yeah, it smells very similar to the other two, which I understand is very difficult to be done with both a butter, an oil, and a soap. So well done to the Beard Struggle on achieving that, because once again, I've heard that is very difficult to be done. Now, I did say in the description the Asgardian Secret is a very exotic smell. However, I believe it is exotic, but it's not too overpowering, like I said, that you would think, blimmin' hell, that's so pungent, I couldn't be sat around that all day. It comes with the welcome guide, so it tells you a bit more about the products and the smells and the different things that they offer, such as their steel trim kit, other smells, their little wash bags and stuff, so there's all that in there. There's also a list of all the different smells and scents on the back. Like I said, we did pick the Asgardian Secret because it smelled like the most neutral and nicest smell that we thought we would be able to get. And to be fair, the wife likes it, so that's a tick in my book. And I like it, so it's 2 ticks in my book. Once again, I am now a brand ambassador, which means that I can offer you discount on the kit that they supply. So the code will either be up here again, or it'll be down in the description. Now, I don't know about many guys out there, it's always been frowned upon or seen as a very unmasculine thing to look after yourself. And up until very recently, I've been of the very similar mindset. However, now, with these products, I'm going to give it a go. So this is quite scary for me, as I've never done this before. I do understand that the Beard Struggle do provide guides on how to use these products on www.thebeardstruggle.com. And I'm going to be using some of them and maybe making some of my own to show my experience of how these products have gone down with me. With only having a short amount of beard hair, I know a lot of men with beards think that there's not really much point in using these products because it's not really much of a beard, but I'm now in the mindset of looking after myself either way. Hi there guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So that was just a brief unboxing and explanation of what comes in the starter kit from the Beard Struggle. So like I said, you can get a really good discount on their great products. I really like the smell, so does my wife, Killer Queen. I really like the branding. Also, something you may or may not see, but in a lot of their promotional material, it focuses a lot around brotherhood. And I quite like that sense of belonging to a community of fellow beard owners. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you do subscribe to the YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the bell so you get a notification every time I go live or post a new video. You can follow me on the normal social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. But in the meantime, take care and I'll see you online. Cheers.
Put them down and talk about the products.
It's even called a bearded axe.
Put the axes down.